polish 10 toes down.
Okay guys, as you can see, I have on a wig cap. It doesn't really matter what type of wig cap you have on because obviously you're not doing a bald cap method. This is supposed to be a very simple glueless look. So we're going to skip the whole wig cap bald cap method situation. So this is the wig. It came pre-bleached. Sorry, my brain doesn't work. It came pre-bleached and pre-cut. I already put foundation on the perimeter of the lace. I used you just use the foundation powder or whatever powder you use so that blends into your skin. You would use that as that because it came not my skin color. So yeah, so this is the wig. It is the Burmese curly in 24 inches. It has the cute little curls at the bottom. So for this wig cap, for this wig, it has the combs at the left and right side. It has a comb at the bottom here, and then it has the adjustable wig band. So this is prepared to be a glueless wig. It came right out the package. I did not have to do anything else other than put in the foundation powder. I'm trying to just see how it looks. This is the wig. I'm just gonna clip this. I'm gonna use the Evans spray. I'm just gonna spray it on a surface, and I'm gonna use a tail comb to just put it at my perimeter. So this is what we're working with. It's definitely blended. As I said, I'm gonna use the Evans spray. This is the black one. I'm gonna spray it on a surface like so. And I'm gonna use a tail comb to put on my perimeter. So what I do to melt my laces, I use one of these wax strips first. My wax strip is like literally falling apart because I don't have any other one, but I do that first, and then okay, so we have that on. Now I'm just gonna okay, after I combed it out, I look like a lion, but I have a mixture of a little bit of conditioner, and water. That's it. And when I say a little bit of conditioner, I mean a drop. It's just a drop of conditioner. I'm just gonna put some mousse. Yeah, that ass too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone, we don't call back. I'm just putting some more of the foundation powder and my perimeter. Just to be extra, you don't have to do this part, but I'm gonna be using some spritz spray from Fantasia, and I'm just gonna put it at the perimeter as well. So that's what it's looking like. As for, is this in the middle? Yeah, it's in the middle, right? Maybe it's a schmiddle. I don't know. So this is what the hair is looking like when it's like, put the mousse in it and water. Usually I would diffuse it right now, but I'm a little lazy. So I'm just gonna make it air dry. Okay, but for right now, this is what it's looking like. I'll do a close up. This is what it's looking like. No bleach, no glue, nothing. Just straight out the packaging. Okay guys, so I'm finished with the install. The install was super seamless, super easy, no glue involved. All I used was the Ebin adhesive spray. I used some spritz, and that's basically it. I feel like this wig is not coming off. Like, it's like stuck on my head, and it's like, it feels so secure. Obviously, if you want it to be like easily removable, like you could literally remove this hair like with the Ebin spray. You just put a little water on it and it will come off. It's not super strong glue. I'm not a professional when it comes to put on my wigs. I am a certified DIY girl, so if I could do it, then you could do it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.